Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix Wi-Fi issues when it's not working. 1. Check the network. Start by tapping on the Wi-Fi icon in your device's settings. Check if other devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If other devices are working fine, the issue may be specific to your phone. 2. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone and restart it. This can help refresh network settings and resolve temporary glitches. 3. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. After restarting your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. Sometimes toggling the Wi-Fi can help it reconnect to the network. 4. Restart your Wi-Fi router. If reconnecting the Wi-Fi on your phone didn't work, try restarting your Wi-Fi router. Turn it off for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on and wait for the connection to stabilize. 5. Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, then tap on System or General Management, depending on your phone. Look for Reset options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This will reset network settings without erasing your data. 6. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. After resetting the settings, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Wi-Fi connectivity issues. If the problem persists, it might be an issue with your router or an internet service provider outage. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.